Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we explore the endless possibilities of Minecraft building. Today we have an exciting video in store for you, packed with some of the best building ideas to spark your creativity and take your Minecraft creations to the next level. So grab your pickaxes, gather your resources, and let's dive into the amazing world of Minecraft building ideas. Minecraft is not just a game, it's a canvas for your imagination. Building in Minecraft allows you to construct incredible structures, landscapes, and entire worlds. The only limit is your creativity. Whether you are a seasoned builder or a novice adventurer, we have a variety of building ideas that will inspire you to create something truly remarkable. Let's begin with some residential building ideas. Create your dream house, castle, or village and make it a place you can truly call home. From cozy cottage nestled in the woods to grand mansions overlooking the ocean, the choice is yours. Incorporate unique architectural features, experiment with different materials, and don't forget to add functional and decorative elements to make your building come to life. Let's venture into the realm of epic landscape. Transform your Minecraft world with breathtaking natural features. Build towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, serene gardens, or lush forests. Create hidden canvas, winding rivers, and secret pathways to explore. The beauty of Minecraft is that you have complete control over the terrain. So let your imagination run wild and shape your world as you envision it. And now let's raise the stakes with monumental structures. Construct awe-inspiring buildings that leave players in awe. How about building a massive cathedral, a towering skyscraper, or a majestic place? I hope this video will be very useful for you to construct your residential buildings and epic landscapes, monumental structures. So please thumbs up, like and share this video because latest decor ideas YouTube channel brings for you a collection of different interior living room designs for home decoration. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.